So let us consider this question given to us. So we are asked to integrate x divided by root of x plus 3 dx. So at this point, the first thing we do here is that we make a very simple substitution. So we have that let u be equal to root of x plus 3, and we have it that u squared, if we square both sides, will be equal to x plus 3. Now at this point, x is equal to u squared minus 3. So we have obtained the expression for x. Now let us obtain for dx. Now if we differentiate x with respect to u, we have that dx will be equal to 2u du. So we have to substitute the value of x and dx into the integral. So this becomes integral of x divided by root of x plus 3 dx becomes integral. S is given as u squared minus 3, all divided by root of x plus 3 is given as u, and the s is 2u du. So you can take out u, and since 2 here is a constant, this becomes 2 integral of u squared minus 3 multiplied by du. So we can have that this is 2 open bracket integral of u squared du minus integral of 3 du. We close up our bracket. So upon integrating, this becomes 2 multiplied by u to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 3u plus c, which is our constant of integration. So if we factor out u divided by 3, this becomes 2 multiplied by u divided by 3, open a bracket, u squared minus 9 plus c. So at this point, we can substitute the value of u. Now recall that u is equal to root of x plus 3. So at this point, we have 2 open bracket root of x plus 3 divided by 3, open a bracket, root of x plus 3 all squared minus 9 plus c. Now at this point, we have that square can cancel out square root. So we'll be left with 2 divided by 3, open bracket, x plus 3 all to the power of 1 divided by 2. Open a bracket, this is x plus 3 minus 9 plus c. So if we simplify further, this becomes 2 divided by 3. So 3 minus 9 is minus 6. So we have x minus 6 multiplied by x plus 3 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 plus c. So at this point, we have been able to integrate the function given to us. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.